Hi, I am Rihas and I am very real. Ignore my bad attempts at covering up the background with random drawings and let's get started on today's video, which is how to draw skulls at different angles. The three main angles that you would want to draw skulls at would probably be the front view, the side view, and the three quarters view. Let's just get started on all of them. First, let me just explain to you how the skull works. The skull, when viewed from the front, is just a circle, and you have to divide that circle, cut that circle off from the two sides, like that. So let me just zoom in for you real quick. Alright, so this is the front side, just to be clear. Now, the top side, you should just define that a little bit more, and then this area just goes in towards there, and then from here this other jawbone comes out. It's like this. These are the bottom side of your teeth, and from here this internal jaw extends out from to the downside, and then the downside of the teeth are there. And then the eyes, they are these lines, these they mark the eyes, these are where the eyes lie. And right in the middle, right below the eyes, is the nose. Now, of course, this is a very stylized skull, and the real skull is a lot more complicated than this. But if you just practice drawing this, I think you should be good enough for a front view skull. Now, let's just move on to the side view. Side view skulls are a bit harder. Let's just start off with our circle. Now this time you see this line that divides over here. Well, it gets this line stays the same. From front view, let's just demonstrate three circles over here. From front view it's like this. From side view it gets over here like this. And from side view it's completely over here. Like, see that pattern? Now we are drawing side view right now, so let's just put it right there. And then let's see where we want to place our eyes. The eyes, the nose, and the teeth are just three perfect distances away, and then the jawline is just one perfect distance away from all of them. Let's just start placing in our features. This is where the eye goes in, above side of the skull, of course. And then this area is just like extending down over here, right? This is like the jaw side, the jaw over here. This that run from the side, it looks like this. And then this downside area looks these are the upper teeth over here again. And then this side of the area like this, and then the background teeth over here like that. Should be pretty much okay for now. Now the final skull, this is the hardest probably of all of them. This is like the three quarters view. Now let's just start off. Upper area, just that area just stays unchanged. Oh yeah, one more thing over here I forgot to mention. You see, if you're thinking this skull is off, that's for a reason. When viewed from this end, the side angle, I just have to bring this up, that the cranium is not like this. This is just a mistake I made. It is more like this. Like, it goes back over here in towards there, and then like that, not like what I drew. That's just an honest anatomical mistake I got, I admit it. Now this, from this side, this is like where the skull, the eyes, this eye is going to be bigger than the other eye. Yeah, that's just how it works. Similarly, this side of the nose will be bigger than the other side as well. And of course the jaw, it's going to extend from here, and this downside of the jaw, it will always be bigger than the other side. And that's pretty much it. Now the reason why they all look so weird and not like anatomical skulls is because I have modified them to look and fit more anatomical proportions of anime characters. This tutorial was for anime characters, and pretty much that's how I make every one of my drawings. If you just look at this Garo artwork over here, this is like one of my best artworks. If you just look beneath the surface over here, you can clearly see how this line is where the eyes line up on. And let me destroy my artwork just for you. uh, see over here, this area and this area, they are three perfect parts away. That's cause that's how the guidelines worked. And I don't think there's that much else to explain over here than just go practice. uh, Alright, bye.